This video demonstrates how to reset the Magellan HMI back to the initial factory state. First, let's launch the runtime installer. In this example, we are using a generic Windows PC. The process is the same for all HMIs programmed with Visual Designer. Here we have three options for connectivity. We will use Ethernet. Enter the IP address of the HMI. Now press send and the HMI will be reset. Press yes when prompted to overwrite the existing version of the runtime. On a non-Windows PC, this is the point where you would see a progress bar on the screen. We are now completed. Here is the initial start mode that you typically see in the out-of-the-box state.